Anti-malarial mosquito nets are being used to catch fish around the world. Mosquito nets are often distributed for free, but there is evidence of them being used for other purposes. They are used to protect crops, to make chicken coops, and even as wedding veils. If these nets aren't being used for the purpose they are distributed for, then they are not reducing malaria. Question 1. How do you think mosquito nets can help reduce malaria? Question 2. Why do you think the nets are being used to catch fish and not for reducing malaria? Hint: hunger. Let's discuss these two questions in the classroom today.